Well, so, good morning students. Now we have to discuss the another parameters of a circular motion is new physical quantity, the angular velocity now, okay, because we already learned the angular displacement. So, see here now. Okay. So, another title, write down the angular velocity. Angular velocity. Okay. This is the another concept which is given in a kinematics of a circular motions, because we have to learn all the concept. And I think this all concept you already learn in 11th standard, but I revise all the portions. Okay. So, angular velocity. So, angular velocity means, what is the simple definition I write down here? See here. What is the definition? The rate of change of angular displacement. Rate of change of angular displacement with respect to, right? What is the definition I am write down here, boys? The rate of change of angular displacement with respect to time. The rate of change of angular displacement with respect to time is called as angular velocity. It's called as angular velocity, right? And what is the symbol? It is shown by the letter omega. This is the symbol of angular velocity. It is omega. Okay. So here, boys, once again, what is the theory? The particles is revolve in what is in anti-clockwise directions. Okay. So the particle P, I write down the some points. The particles P revolving in anti-clockwise directions. Yes or no? Yes. We know that A is a initial position. A is initial position of particles P, then time is equal to 0. Now suppose B is a final position of particles P in time t, right? I write down these points. A is the initial position of particle at time t is equal to 0. B is the what is final position of particles in a time t. And we know that when particles move from A to B, how much distance will be covered? Yes, distance. How much angular displacement will be there? Theta is the angular displacements. Okay. So boys, let's we consider in our point number 2. I write down the point number 2 is here. Okay. Let a particles let a particle is covered a very short distance in a short interval of time delta t. Let particles move from A to A dash in time delta t. Okay, this is for instantaneous time, okay, very fast in delta t, and covered a distance delta s. Okay, so I mention here suppose here this is the a dash. How much angular displacement this one? It is a delta theta, cover distance delta s, and angular displacement is there delta theta. Angular displacement is del theta, right here at these positions. Okay, a to a dash, cover a distance delta s, in time delta t, how much angular displacement there? Delta theta. Okay, so we know that what is the final? The final, if you consider from a to b, so a to b means nothing but how much? A to b is, it is cover the distance theta. Initial, if you consider, initially will be there 0. If you consider for how much? From this position a to a dash, how much distance will be there? Delta theta. So what is our definition? The rate of change of angular displacement with respect to time is called as angular velocity. So boys, see here, final displacement, first of all write down for initial angular displacement. Initially we consider the initial, what is initial angular displacement is del theta. Okay, initial a to a dash or a to a dash, right, in a time delta t. Okay, we write down already here. Final angular displacement, if you consider the final angular displacement from this position, we consider now, okay, from a to this, suppose this a to this will be distance covered by maximum, and suppose this is the theta distance from how much? A dash to b. Final angular displacement from a dash to a dash, not a to b. Final. So how much final angular displacement? Tell me. A to b, it is what is, boys? Yes, del theta plus theta. In time, what is in time? Del t plus t, right? And covered distance, yes, covered distance, how much? Yes, delta s plus s, right? Means our angular displacement will be changed. Initially the delta theta, from a dash to b how much? Theta, and from a to b this plus this, right? So this angular displacement is changed. Angular displacement, the angle is changed. Suppose here is a 10 degree, so this is 60 degree. Suppose this is the 2 degree, so this will be the what is? Yes, 5 degree. So this angular displacement will be changed. So angle will be changed, and we know that the rate of change of angular displacement with respect to time nothing but the angular velocity. So what is I am writing down here? Mathematics. Angular velocity is nothing but what is? Angular velocity. Angular velocity omega. What is? I am writing down rate of change. Rate of change means final minus initial. Final angular displacement. Final angular displacement minus what is? Initial angular displacement. So what is the boys? Omega is equal to final. What is the value of the final? Del theta plus theta. So del theta plus theta minus, what is the initial, boys? Initial is del theta upon time rate of change, what is del t plus t is equal to what is del t. So if you solve the mathematics, this del theta cancel, del t is cancel. So what is remaining? Omega is equal to theta upon t. So this is the explanation about the angular velocity for a circular motions. This is the angular velocity of a circular motions, right? And this angular velocity consider for circular motion as well as for rotational motions, and this is the concept in kinematics of circular motions. Okay, omega is equal to theta upon t. So some following points. Number 3rd here. So angular velocity is nothing but what is? It is vector quantity. It is a vector quantity because it has what is magnitude as well as direction. So that's why it is called as vector quantity. Then another, the SI unit. SI unit. What is? Unit is theta in radian, time in second. Very good. SI unit is radian per second. And last, boys, dimension. So what is the dimension here? LMT, t per second. If denominator move from in numerator, what is t minus 1? Because there is no any length, there is no mass, only the what is time. Yes, radian per second. So per going into the numerator, so that's why there is a t minus 1. So this is the explanation about the angular velocity for a circular motions. Okay, boys. So now our another quantity is physical in angular accelerations. So I stop here. We will discuss new parameter, angular acceleration.